Hi everyone, welcome back to another video by Njelife. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and absolutely delicious dinner, as always, like I always do. I've been looking forward to this all day long. Buffalo chicken pasta with air-fried chicken tenders on top. Start by putting your pasta of choice in boiling water. Add a little salt to give your pasta some taste.
Yeah.
Here I have one beaten egg in a bowl, and here I have panko and ranch seasoning packet, one ranch seasoning packet. And I've got my chicken tenders here, and we're just gonna work on breading them. To make the buffalo chicken portion for the pasta, you need a half a cup of ranch dressing, so this is to your preference, a half a cup to 1 cup of hot sauce. I am doing the full 1 cup. Half a cup of shredded cheese. You can use whatever kind you like. I'm using mild cheddar. Just eyeball a half a cup, that's what I do. A little more, a little less, whatever you like. 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Okay, so this part is optional. This 1 can of cooked white chicken. Since I'm also adding chicken on top of the pasta, I mean, you could do whatever you want. Leave it out, use whatever meat you want, but I just want to add this just to give it some more consistency so you can have some chicken in almost every bite of your pasta. Let's start cooking our chicken tenders in the air fryer. So I've had it preheating on 400 degrees, so it's all nice and hot and ready. All right, spray the bottom real good. Feel free to use a hand mixer for this part, otherwise you're going to be getting an arm workout. I just didn't feel like getting it splattered everywhere from my hand mixer. Look who came to say hello. Hello, Alfred. Hi. How are you doing, huh? You watching me make some buffalo chicken pasta? Yeah, that's my hair. Now let's mix the pasta with the buffalo chicken dip, really. It's kind of the same recipe. Okay, well, I'll just put it all in at once. It's kind of a big pan. I didn't realize how big this pan is, or whatever this is called, sheet pan, but this smells and looks so good. Ooh, dang it. Spilled some on the ground. What do you think, Alfred? He's sitting on my shoulder. He's probably looking at it. Yep, he's gonna try and get some. No. This will burn your little mouth. It's hot sauce in there. So I'm just working on mixing this up real good. Okay. Mix. So good. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some more cheese on top before I put it into the oven. Put some more cheese on top, because why not? Cover with foil and put in a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. Just pulled them out. This is about 15 minutes they were in there. They look nice and golden brown. I think they should be done. I hope they're done. 15 minutes on 400. Should I cut one open to see? Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh man, they look super juicy and done. They look delicious. All right, 15 minutes it is, and I flipped them halfway through as well. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. Thank you so much. How you doing today, Otis? Huh? How you doing, Otis? Ooh. Hey, Alfred. Hey. Hey. The reveal. I just took it out. Ooh. Oh, yum. Oh my gosh, look at that. Cheesy buffalo chicken ranch pasta. Let's make us a plate. Okay, so this is how I'm serving it, with an extra dipping option for the chicken tenders. Looks delicious. This is my husband's plate. Let's go see what he thinks.
That's yummy.